Good morning, my name is Rakesh. I am an engineer. I have been with Happycoin since 1.5 years. Happycoin has been giving me very good financial advice and they have been guiding me for my financial planning and purchasing of my goals like house, car, etc. With their good advice, I have been able to clear a personal loan of mine very soon. I have been investing in some products for which I was having not much knowledge. The problem was being an engineer, I had to work from morning 8 till evening 9 o'clock. I didn't have time to plan my financial management related aspects. In this point, Happycoin has been with me and I completely trust them in their services which have given me good value in whatever I have invested with their advice. I strongly recommend Happycoin as a satisfied customer, and I once again thank Vaasu sir and their entire team for guiding me in my this success in financial management. Thank you.